When onboarding a project manager to your organization or adding an existing project manager to a new team, how much time do you give them to listen, learn, and ask before they take control of the project? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to another episode of Project Manager Wisdom. I hope to earn your like and your subscription. I read every comment and appreciate the time you put into them. No matter the years of experience a project manager has, no two teams, no two projects are exactly the same. Joining an in-progress project is one of the hardest challenges for a project manager who's coming in with their own ideas to a team that is currently doing it their way. Try this. Onboard the project manager and communicate to the team that the new team member will be in a listen, learn, and ask mode for just the first 30 days. This sets the team's expectations and gives the new joiner some time to learn names, current processes, and identify areas of risk and opportunity. At the end of the first 30 days, change the strategy to contribute and communicate, with the purpose of allowing the existing team to gain a confidence that the new hire understands their situation, knows their names and their individual styles. Do this for just another 30 days. At the end of this first 60 days, turn the project manager on. Direction is now control the project. At this point, the project manager will have seen as a cohesive member of the team and not some stranger just coming in to disrupt the apple cart. If you think this is great advice, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. For more project manager wisdom, subscribe and follow. Check out our previous episodes and get project management tools at howtoprojectmanage.com.